7 home exercises that will make you aesthetic. Number 7. Table rows. Table rows provide an effective workout for developing a robust upper body, focusing on the back and arm muscles. To execute table rows, position yourself beneath a sturdy table with legs bent and feet firmly on the floor. Grasp the tabletop's edge with both hands, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Elevate your body off the floor, lifting your chest towards your head and pulling your shoulders back and towards your feet. Bend your arms, drawing your body up towards the tabletop. Ascend to the tabletop cautiously, straighten your arms, then gradually lower your body back to the initial position. Complete 4 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Number 6. Jump squats. Jump squats present a high-intensity workout for the lower body, engaging the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. To execute jump squats, start by standing with feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and hands by your sides. Descend into a squat position by pushing your hips back and bending your knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Maintain an upright chest and engaged core. From the lowest point in the squat, activate your glutes and push through the balls of your feet to leap off the floor. Land softly with knees bent and immediately transition into the squat position for the next repetition. Complete 4 sets of 8 repetitions. Adjust sets and reps based on your fitness level, gradually increasing them as you enhance your strength. Number 5. Backward lunges. Backward lunges offer a versatile and low-impact workout targeting the thighs and glutes. To perform backward lunges, stand tall with feet hip distance apart. Take a substantial step backward and lower your body towards the floor, ensuring both legs are bent at a 90 degrees angle during the lunge. Return to the starting position and repeat for the desired number of reps. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Adjust sets and reps based on your fitness level, progressively increasing them as your strength improves. Number 4. Single leg squats. Single leg squats, also recognized as pistol squats, present an impressive exercise that challenges balance, flexibility, and targets the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. To execute single leg squats, stand on your right foot and elevate your left leg, holding it straight and slightly in front of your torso. Alternatively, you can bend your knee, keeping your left leg raised. Push your hips back as you descend into a squat, then contract your glutes as you push into the right foot to stand back up. Maintain your left leg elevated between reps. Complete 3 sets of 3 to 8 reps per leg. Adjust the sets and reps based on your fitness level, gradually increasing them as you gain strength. Muscles targeted: quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings. Number 3. Decline push-ups. Decline push-ups offer a demanding variation of the traditional push-up, concentrating on the upper chest and front shoulders. To perform decline push-ups, position your feet on a sturdy elevated surface like a box or bench, creating an angle with your body. Lower yourself into a push-up position with your feet raised behind your head. Descend slowly, almost reaching the ground, maintaining muscle tension. Push up using your pecs, squeezing your chest on the ascent to return to the initial position. Complete 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Adjust the sets and reps based on your fitness level, gradually increasing them as you become stronger. Muscles targeted: upper chest, front shoulders. Number 2. V-ups. V-ups provide a challenging abdominal exercise targeting the entire core. To perform V-ups, lie on your back with arms extended above your head, legs straight, and feet together. Engage your core to lift your feet about 6 inches off the floor. Simultaneously elevate your torso and legs, forming a V shape with your body while keeping your arms and legs straight. Lower your body back down to the floor slowly, maintaining control and engaging your core throughout the movement. Complete 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Adjust the sets and reps based on your fitness level, gradually increasing them as you become stronger. Muscles targeted. Abdominals. Number 1. Up-down planks. Up-down planks pose a formidable full-body challenge, engaging multiple muscle groups, including the core, shoulders, and arms. To execute up-down planks, commence in a plank position on an exercise mat, palms flat on the floor, arms extended, and hands beneath your shoulders. Lower your left elbow to the ground, followed by your right, assuming a plank position with your elbows supporting your weight. Pause briefly before pushing your left palm into the floor, ascending back to a high plank position. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Muscles targeted. Core. Shoulders. Arms. In summary, home workouts offer numerous advantages, such as increased strength, enhanced flexibility and mobility, and reduced body fat. Integrating bodyweight exercises into a regular routine allows individuals to achieve a sculpted physique without the need for conventional weights or gym equipment. Prioritizing proper form and technique, respecting your body's limits, and progressively intensifying exercises are crucial. Additionally, placing importance on nutrition and maintaining a balanced diet supports optimal results. Incorporating exercises like jump squats, decline push-ups, table rows, backward lunges, single leg squats, V-ups, and up-down planks empower individuals to pursue aesthetic goals and elevate overall fitness levels. Start integrating these exercises into your home workout routine today and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, leaner, and more flexible body. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos.